Alright, the first step is finding the perfect mockup for your project. Head over to Freepik, a fantastic resource for high-quality mockups. Search the mockup you need. Once you've found the ideal mockup, go ahead and download it. Most likely, the mockup will be in a compressed file format. Open Photoshop. Now open your design in Illustrator. Go to Export and then Export as. Save as PNG. Go to Layers in Photoshop File of Mockup. Double-click here, and this opens. Go to File, then Place Linked. Place the PNG file of design. Resize to fit. Control S. Go to your mockup, and it's done. Same way the other side of card, double-click. File, Place Linked. Resize to fit. CTRLS. Go to Mockup, and it's done.